Hello, my name is Derika Isakova on InstaForex TV with the latest Forex news. The key hinges that can intervene the US dollar-Canadian dollar pair to touch the parity rate by the end of the current year is the Bank of Canada. Downgoing American currency and raw price upturn, as expected, will provide favorable dynamics of the Canadian dollar for the rest of the year. In the meanwhile, so far as the loonie moves closer to the highs of 2009, the market participants are worried about the Bank of Canada reaction more and more. Possible reactive actions of the Canada's bank make the traders be nervous when it is referred to long positions opening with the Canadian currency. The reasons for such solicitude are rather clear. In October, the Central Bank of Canada demonstrated an ability to bring down the national currency just by one official declamation. At that time, several bank announcements regarding a potential influence of the loonie strengthening on the country's economy led to the Canadian dollar drop against the US currency from the last period maximum of this year, which was near the parity rate. After the falling on October 15 to the low at 1.0208, the dollar-loonie pair was moving upward steadily for the rest of October. This upgrowth was accompanied by ongoing verbal attacks from the central bank. The bank's approach was rather logical. It is stated in the Bank of Canada pronouncement of October 20th, which emphasizes that elevated volatility and firm rally of the national currency result in the economic increase slow down and hold the inflationary pressure. Similar statements of the Canada Finance Minister Jim Flaherty and the Prime Minister Stephen Harper, and some signs of that intervention is part of a monetary policy instruments of the central bank, all this was enough to limit the Canadian dollar enforcement and set at rest concerns that it can touch the parity rate till the end of the year. Nonetheless, after several comments voiced in October, the Bank of Canada did not make any announcements concerning the loonie. Due to the US dollar weakening and general investors' positive attitude to the risky assets, the Canadian dollar started to rise again. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team. Thank you for watching us and goodbye.